Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up donations on Draw and Donate. To begin, access your Creator dashboard. Look for the Donations tab, usually found in the Settings or Monetization area. Click on it to start the setup process. This initial step is crucial for activating the donation feature, allowing your audience to contribute directly to your artistic endeavors and support your content creation journey. It's a straightforward process that opens up new avenues for community engagement. Next, you'll need to link your preferred payment accounts. Draw and Donate typically supports major platforms such as PayPal and sometimes Stripe. For PayPal, simply enter your associated email address and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This step ensures that any donations you receive are securely transferred directly to your chosen account. It's a vital part of the process, making sure your hard-earned support reaches you without any hitches. Now, let's personalize your donation experience. You can set a minimum donation amount, perhaps $1 or $5, to ensure meaningful contributions. Also, craft a custom message that donors will see, expressing your gratitude or explaining how their support helps. Consider setting up donation alerts for live streams and creating a progress bar for specific goals, like a new art tablet or software. These customizations make the process more interactive and rewarding for everyone. Finally, it's time to promote your donation link. Share it widely on all your social media channels, in your stream descriptions, and on your website. Regularly check your Draw and Donate dashboard to track incoming contributions and monitor your progress towards any goals. Most importantly, always take the time to sincerely thank your donors. Acknowledging their generosity fosters a strong community and encourages continued support for your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.